What's up, guys? It's Fungus Journey here, and today we have a review of a product by Soft Touch. It's their foot peel mask. It's an exfoliating foot treatment. Basically what it does is it removes all the dead skin. So I had some rough feeling feet and I wanted to go ahead and try out this product. I picked it up on Amazon. There will be a link in the description below if you guys want to go ahead and try this at home yourselves. It was pretty easy to use, and honestly, you want to stick to the end to see these results. They're pretty crazy. So this product actually comes with two sets of foot pouches. So there's 4 pouches in total, obviously 2 for each feet. And inside is this sort of gel-like stuff. It feels really weird, but it works, so I didn't question it. And it also comes with these adhesive strips that you use. And I'm actually just walking you guys through how to use it. The first step is actually to clean your feet. And you want to also make sure that you thoroughly dry them off. Otherwise, it affects the effectiveness of the product. That being said, I'm also showing you guys some before shots of my feet. As you can see, there's some dead skin on the ends of them. Probably should just use lotion a little more. But anyway, that's not here nor there. We're going to hop into how to use the product. It took me, like I said, about 2 weeks to see proper results. And you go ahead and you put your feet in these pouches. You cut the tops off where it tells you to cut them. And then you put the adhesive strips on. I sat with these bags on my feet for like 45 minutes. They also advise you to put socks on top of these. And this is a few days later. I started seeing some results. But like I was saying, you can put socks on over the bags while you have them on. So if you have to go somewhere, otherwise you have to dedicate about an hour of your time to go ahead and get some brand new feet. So as you can tell, it's starting to peel a little. This is where I first started peeling, was actually on the tops of my feet. It looks like a sunburn, almost like when you're peeling like that. And then things started getting interesting a few days into it. Unfortunately, I filmed this upside down. I tried flipping it, and this is the best I can do. So sorry, guys, it might hurt your brains looking at this, but this is what we're working with. And then my other foot had some really crazy results as well. But things are going to get crazier. So just keep watching. It's really tempting, by the way, to go ahead and peel all the skin off. Guys, let me know if you guys would have the willpower down below, or if you're going to actually try this. I'm actually curious if anyone else wants to try this, or if I'm just a weirdo. But you get like brand new feet. As you can tell, like all this dead skin's just flying off. And you can actually enhance these results. It recommends you soaking your feet each day for about 10 to 15 minutes in epsom salts. I actually had this like anti-fungus one that I just had laying around. So I went ahead and used that, and these were the results I got. I might just try some Dr. Teal's next time. Yeah, it was pretty gross. I peeled that piece of skin off, and then towards the end, like all the big pieces started falling off, and then what was left was like my feet looking like this. At this point, what I decided to do was, well, first of all, peel that giant piece of skin off. And then also I just went and started scrubbing my feet with the pumice stone and some soap after soaking my feet in hot water. So I would soak them, like as I said here, after a few days of my feet looking like this, all the big pieces fell off. I went ahead and I used this antifungal soak that works really well, and then the pumice stone just like this, and I went ahead and scrubbed all the dead skin off. So if this is something you guys actually want to go ahead and try for yourselves, I'll leave a link down in this description below. And I really recommend this if you have dry skin, rough feelings feet, or if you just want some softer feet in general. They may not even be rough. And if you guys like this type of content, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.